Everyone, today I want to talk about my favorite person. My mother is my favorite person. My mother name is Farjana Akhtar Shelpi. She is 32 years old. Her favorite color is blue and red. And she is a housewife. Her hobby is cooking. And she always help me. She always help me in my study. And and she always love me and take care of me every single day. My relationship with my mother is it's up and down. My mother has made some tough choice. It isn't easy. It wasn't easy, but she always chose our family. My mother loves me very, very much, and I also love her very much. That's all for time. Thank you very much.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।